what are the real challenges that people have in the industry today that revolve around delivery of parts and supplying documentation and part history? What are some of the challenges that we have in the industry today?
One challenge is that you need to have the documentation if you have the parts in stock, if you want to sell them, or if you want to use them. You need to have the documentation, and you need to be sure that it's the real unchanged original document, which is not very easy to do. And all this documentation requires a lot of work, which is normally not seen because it's taking place in the background. The handling of the paper, the archiving, the copying, and so on. For example, we have figures from the industry that one major aerospace manufacturer has costs of more than 25 million euro every year simply for the handling of this paperwork. You wouldn't believe that, but it's a fact.
Yeah, Bill, I have personally traveled the world and visited airlines and OEMs and MROs all around the world. And my personal observation over the last few years is that maybe 90% of the work that's being done today is really still being done in paper. But I was at a conference last week in Miami, and one of the presenters who's very knowledgeable on the industry, he said that 64% of the airlines and MROs out there today don't think they will be digital in their paperwork by 2023, 2024. And so, that's another independent evaluation that says that somewhere between 65 and 90% of the people out there are handling paper every single day on a routine basis. So, I can obviously see that this is a big challenge that exists in the industry.